Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about the 5 best growth stocks that I've been buying over the last 2 weeks or so. Some really phenomenal companies in there. You're really going to want to see this one and potentially look at doing some research into them yourselves. If that sounds like something you're interested in, please smash that like button, consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll catch you in there. Hey guys, welcome back into the video. So today we're talking about 5 best growth stocks for you to get out, potentially buy and get into your portfolio. So without further ado, the first stock we're talking about today is Airbnb, ticker ABMB. Recently IPO'd, really great travel company, disruptor to the travel and hotel industry out there. It's done phenomenally well over its last couple of years. If you bought in at the last dip all the way down at 163, you did very well. That's the lowest price it's been since its IPO. Currently at 197 dollars a share. I've been buying this one on a current market cap of $118 billion. So its income statement looks absolutely fantastic. From 2017 to 2019, revenue has grown really well. And then of course in 2020 we had the global pandemic, but it still managed to generate significant revenue even with this dipped demand. So when that demand comes back, and we all know that it's coming, this company is going to basically resume exactly where it left off and carry on growing year over year. It's got plenty of cash to get through the crisis at the moment. So if we have a look over here, the cash left over from 2020, it's got absolutely plenty, no trouble at all here. Analysts say that this company is largely a buy. So 1 month ago 10 analysts were saying that it's a buy, 20 were saying it's a hold, and then 3 were saying that it's a sell. Currently that is 10, 1, 18 and 3 for sell. But as we know, the company is coming back strong. Revenue and demand is going to only increase, so I've got no problems with adding plenty of this company. Price targets are a high at 240 and a low at 130. The average is 187 and its current price is 197. So plenty of room to increase to 240, and I believe that over the longer term it will go even higher than that. Next company we're talking about and that I bought recently is Palantir, ticker PLTR. Great data analysing company. Also recently not been in the stock market for too long or available for investors to buy. Current share price is $26. Market cap 48 billion. Again dropped down to $21 a share and then has since recovered to 26. Kathy Wood over at ARK Invest has been massively big on this company. She and her ARK K ETF have been buying hand over fist this company, and if she's buying, that's an indicator to me to buy. This company has a phenomenal future ahead of it, really great revenue growth, and it is one to watch for the future. $26 a share here and a market cap of 48 billion versus where it's going to be in the future is chicken feed. This company has got 4 times written all over it over the longer term. If we have a look at its revenue growth, you can see from 2018 to 2020 it has doubled, which is absolutely fantastic. That trend is set to continue. Also got plenty of cash available to spend on extra investments and growing the business even further. The analyst side of things, we have something that I actually disagree with. So currently we have 2 analysts suggesting a buy, 2 analysts suggesting a hold, and 4 analysts suggesting a sell, and that is something that the sell analysts I disagree with really. I think this company is a great price at the moment to buy into. Yes, its revenue is still coming up to where it should be to justify that 48 billion market cap, but it's definitely getting there. It's getting the contracts in place. So it has a price target of a high of $40, a low of $15, average of 25, and it is just sitting at that at the moment. I believe this company is a buy all day long, and I've been buying more. My next stock today is Apha, ticker APHA, the legalised cannabis company. Current share price is 19 $86, market cap of 6.27 billion. Again, dropped down in the recent sell-off down to $13.97. Absolute bargain at that price. I bought more at it despite being 200% up. I used that as a time, yes, I averaged up, but that's the lowest the share price is going to be for a while, and it's since recovered back out to $19.86. Again, the financials of this company stack up extremely well through 2016 to 2020, doing absolutely amazing. Really good return, gross income up every single year as well as profits as well coming down here, sorry. If we have a look at the analyst side of things for Apha, we have 5 current buy ratings, 1 overweight, 3 suggest a hold, and 1 underweight, 0 sell options. So that is really good for this company. Analysts suggesting that this company is a great buy going forward, doing particularly well. Revenue is great for this company, and that is exactly what we're looking for going forward, for this share price to continue to grow. My next company today is XPEV, the Chinese electric car manufacturer. Current share price $34 a share, market cap of 24 billion. Crashed along with all the EV sector vehicles right down to $25 a share. I took advantage of that because that was a great buying opportunity. I could not pass that up at all, and I don't think anyone else could. And you can see the surge into the company here in terms of the volume and people buying, because people realised that that was an absolute bargain going forward. If we have a look at their sales and revenue growth, you can see that it's absolutely astronomical. We don't have 2020s yet, but from 2018 to 2019, that is a phenomenal increase, and then that is only going to get better and better as well. We can hop and have a look at the quarterly side of things, and you can see that it's growing each time, apart from in the end of 2020, just there, the 31st of the 3rd 2020, sorry, there was a dip there, but then it massively increased thereafter. The balance sheet still looks pretty decent as well. They've still got plenty of cash on hand. We can't quite see all of 2020's fundamentals yet, but they've still got plenty of cash to invest and continue growing and continue making more and more cars. What the analysts say again is we have 10 current buy ratings, none overweight, 1 hold, and just the 1 sell. Price target $456 is the high, 353 the median, 151 for the low, average of 344, and its current share price is $34, so that's going to increase absolutely hugely. I think that might be a little bit of an error there, but that's just what it says on Barron's website. So it has the buy rating for a reason, and if it can start leveraging and getting the cars out as it expects to, it's going to do massively well as well. And the last and final stock today is Virgin Galactic, ticker SPCE, $33 a share, current market cap of 7.95 billion. This is a company that isn't generating a lot of revenue yet, but it still has a significant share price to be had. I mean, at one stage it was at $55 a share. It came all the way down to $24 in the recent dip, and then that caused many people to seize the opportunity and buy in, and I was one of them people to take on an extra few shares myself. So if we hop on over to the income side of things, not a great deal to see here, to be fair. Revenue in 2020 was very poor. They sold a lot of tickets for the space tourism side of things in 2018 and 2019 to give them the cash to get through, and they do still have plenty of cash available for investment as this company continues to grow towards commercialization. They have plenty of cash here to get themselves into that position to start offering flights properly to customers. Still in the testing phase at the moment, but commercialization is on the way, and this company has big plans for the future. Again, analysts here suggest currently that it's 4 for buy, 0 for sell, and 5 for hold. I would be adding at this price myself. I added at the bottom of the recent dip, or near to the bottom should I say. The price targets are $50, high, $20 low, an average of 37, and the current price is 33. This can easily come back to $40, $50 a share, especially with a successful test flight as we move towards commercialization. Brilliant company. All of these feature in my portfolio. There's a reason they are there. I absolutely love every single one of them, and I plan on holding all of them for the long term. That is 5 fantastic growth stocks for you to research and for you to potentially add to your portfolio. All of them have fantastic long-term potential. They're all set up. They're either already generating significant growing revenue, or they're right on the cusp of commercializing their product and then generating significant revenue. And the share price return, as we look out to the 12 months down the line, 5 years down the line, is going to be absolutely massive. I love these companies. You probably will too. Thank you very much for watching today, guys. It's been an absolute pleasure. If you could smash that like button on your way out, it'd be absolutely awesome. Catch you in another episode.